In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Instax Mini Link 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Resetting the Mini Link 2 is actually super straightforward. Other Instax products, like the Instax Mini 9, are going to be reset by simply removing and then reinserting the batteries while the camera is powered on. However, for this particular device, there is an actual dedicated reset button that you can press. It is very hidden, so as you can see according to the official manual, it is going to be on this little port where you can find the micro USB port. So it is right on top, labeled here as number 6. So number 6 in this picture is the reset button. So open this compartment at the side of your Mini Link 2, where you would usually plug a micro USB cable to charge it, and you will see this hole. What you have to do is use a specific tool, something that is able to reach inside of here, and press the physical very tiny reset button located in this compartment. Once you press down on this button and you hold it down for a few seconds, it is going to be reset. So all that you have to do is use something inside of this tiny hole to perform the reset for your Instax Mini Link 2. It is simple to do, it's just a little bit hidden. So as you can see according to the official manual, this is going to be the reset button. Once this is done, the reset will be performed and it should help clear up any temporary glitches that you are encountering with your Mini Link 2. If it is still not working, then check for other solutions, but this is how you perform an actual factory reset according to the manufacturer. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please subscribe. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.